Welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Santi with the TechUtopia team. Today we're here at CES 2026 in Las Vegas, Nevada. There is so much technology to see, but we're gonna go ahead and start with Beatbot.
CES is usually all about TVs, robots, and smart home tech, but this booth genuinely stopped me this year. Beatbot is bringing serious innovation to something that most people don't think about as tech, which is pool care. And the way they're doing it, it feels like less automation and more like upgrading your entire pool lifestyle. And their message is very simple, is pool living perfected. And Beatbot is a global leader in smart pool robotics, focused on combining AI, automation, and real-world reliability to completely change how pool care is done. Everything they design is meant to run quietly, intelligently, and reliably in the background so you can just actually enjoy your pool instead of working on it. And seeing these robots in person really changes how you think about pool cleaners, and from the first generation models to the upgraded versions in 2025, things have absolutely changed. So coming into CES this year, I already know what these machines can handle, and I was genuinely curious to see where they're taking things next. Now, the stand-up product here is the Beatbot AquaSense X, and the AquaSense X is their flagship pool robot and the self-cleaning rinse station that is a huge part of it. It automatically empties and rinses the robot's filter in just 3 minutes. And the 22-liter debris bin can handle over 3,000 medium-sized leaves, which realistically means up to 2 months without needing to clean it yourself. And now what really separates it is the Beatbot AI 2.0. It doesn't just move randomly, it recognizes 40 different types of debris, from leaves to seeds to insects, and fine particles, and adjusts how it cleans based on what it sees. Now, it's also worth mentioning that AquaSense X received the 2026 CES Innovation Award presented by the Consumer Technology Association, an award that recognizes outstanding design and engineering in consumer technology. And the AquaSense X is powered by the Beatbot AI 2.0 and the Hybrid Sense AI Vision. The Beatbot AI 2.0 can recognize 40 different types of debris, and that means that doesn't just clean randomly, it actually changes how it cleans depending on what's in your pool. And one of the most impressive parts is how it handles complex pool layouts using AI vision, ultrasonic sensors, and precise path planning. The AquaSense X cleans the main pool first and then intelligently moves to steps and shallow platforms. And not only that, it also avoids drops, memorizes layouts, and it adapts as it goes, and that's something that many robots struggle with. Next to it is the Beatbot Sora 70, which focuses heavily on surface level cleaning and is the twin jet system that actively pulls floating debris like leaves and pollen toward the intake instead of waiting for it to drift by. And this keeps the water surface clear while still delivering the full floor and wall cleaning. It's especially useful for pools that are surrounded by trees or areas with constant surface debris. Up next is the RoboTurtle, and it's a concept product, but it's not just for fun. It's had major upgrades since last year, and it shows Beatbot's bigger ambition in intelligent aquatic robotics. It's not just pools, but things like environment monitoring and water analysis down the line.
Hi, I'm Eduardo from Beatbot. This is the aquatic RoboTurtle, aka Tortini. It is a research robot designed to be deployed in the ocean to study marine life, from different types of fish, coral, plants, and even quality of water. It's designed to look like a turtle because that's the least disruptive shape ID that we could think of. So we're trying to give it the movement of a turtle so it could just blend in without disrupting the life around it, unlike current research robots that are bulky and noisy. Tortini right now, it's still in the prototype phase. We expect it to be deployed within the next 3 to 5 years. Right now we're working with organizations around the world to customize it to different needs. We can customize it with many different sensors and cameras depending on what the researchers need. So yeah, that's Tortini.
All right, I'm in front of the RoboTurtle. It's a brand new robot and that they came out with, and you can actually play with doing some gestures such as this, and it starts moving. Now you can also do this to watch it dance a little bit. And not only that, you can also do the Wakanda, so he can shake his head. So after stopping here at Beatbot at CES 2026 here in Las Vegas, it's very clear that they're not just building another pool cleaner, they're redefining what pool ownership should feel like. And if this is the future of pool cleaning, it's way smarter, faster, and more enjoyable than ever before. So that's it from me for this episode. Go ahead and like and subscribe so you can stay tuned for more coverage at CES Las Vegas 2026. Thank you guys for watching.